It's a puzzle. I don't know. Grandma helped me with that.
You have to talk.
Stop. You don't even know how to do it.
I don't know how to do it.
Exactly. So stop laughing.
I'm just laughing. Aren't you happy? You make your mom happy? Pizza.
Julie, what day?
Hello, Gian. MLS.
This is advantage.
Hello, Mikay.
Mommy.
Hi, Taylor.
Mommy.
Like and subscribe.
Julie, what day?
Maybe Jade can help. Maybe Jade can help. There you go. Jade, can you help?
Oh, wait. And also, I need to know what day is it.
Oh, there you go.
What day is it today?
This one.
What day is it today?
Today is the day you have to love your parent.
Oh, yeah, today. Thank you for telling
At the back. Tita. Harap mo sa akin Hello, Maricar. About at the back. Oh, yeah. Okay, just give that to her. Unboxing. Here you go.
I'm still trying to cut it.
I need my jacket.
Oh, you need your goggles?
Yeah, in my eye. Is it just my that is under the eye? I have a jet in my eye.
Did you say thank you to Julene? She put you to sleep today?
Yeah, and I had 10 minutes of frustration trying to put these together for you.
Oh, wow. 10 minutes of that?
Yeah.
But you have a nice coat. See, look at that. It's a Lululemon coat. You can wear that at church tomorrow. Huh? Yeah, you can.
Not please, I need my jacket.
So when you follow Jelana, you do that. I'm gonna cut you. No, baliktad
Oh, I need to cut it.
Well, you might break the toy. No, you see, you go at the back. Oh, this one, see, plastic, this one. See this one, can you go? No, there you go, perfect. Oh, no, not that one. You're gonna scratch the glasses. You're gonna scratch your glasses. Ay, ganun. There you go. Oh, now you go to the back. Well, what if you cut the thingy? You have to cut the...
I'll be careful.
Well, it's good to know, right? What if you cut the whole thing and then you just... Here you go. Wear your glasses. Oh, wow. Now you can do it. No, cut your teeth. Feels good. For your legs. Do it to my legs. Ay,
Screws.
oh, may bagyo na naman ba?